Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, August 17th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and QQQs. And after a very interesting day yesterday, it continues to carry on to be very interesting today. First off, let's start with QQQs. So QQQs, remember, went from the low of the day to a price probe late in the day. They had nothing to lean on, right? They one-time framed it the whole time. They had just the high, the low, and the price probe. Well, right now, with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, they're below the price probe, trading towards right where they opened yesterday. But again, they had nothing to lean on yesterday, so it should be interesting if they give back a lot of this. Russell has issues. We're over 5 months now since the Russell has hit its all-time high on March 15th. We came out of an inside week to the downside yesterday. They attempted to come back, fill the gap, get to the 20-day moving average. They failed. The gap held, and right now, another possible gap. So out of an inside week, a possible gap down again today. Now, as far as SPY and ES, it looks like we just put in, again, another weird print for an all-time high here at 447.31. We just printed at. It's amazing, these prints. But anyway, after a day like yesterday, you generally get consolidation. We had 5 sets of single prints. I know ES had 4. They're all very, very small. Well, right now, we're trading right above where change took place yesterday. A's high is where change took place. That's where the first set of single prints are, when we just methodically grinded up all afternoon. Well, right now, we're possibly on the verge of taking back most, if not all, of these single prints. I think it's very important for buyers to hold above A's high from yesterday. If you don't hold above A's high from yesterday, nothing is there to stop you from going and testing yesterday's low and then Tuesday's and Wednesday's low, which they couldn't get from last week. So the price action has been very erratic and irrational. It's controlled firmly by short-term algos and day traders. You have to respect it. You have to try to be smarter than them. You're never going to be faster than them. And a lot of times they're accommodating to be able to read. But yesterday was another day where they became tough to read. And look at them right now this morning, maybe giving back. It's one thing to consolidate, but we're going to see if they give back the entire trend day once we open. As far as destinations, there's only 2 on the upside, 447.11, which is yesterday's high in regular trade now is all-time high. And it looked like they just printed something at 447.31. I did have 447.25, but now it looks like 447.31 is our pre-market all-time high. For the downside, again, you should have everything I gave you. If not, look at last night's video. Right now, the price probe might be rejected. All the single prints. The only other number I will give you right now is 444.60, which is our overnight low. Game plan for this morning. Well, whether it's now or at 9:30, very visual area here. If you're to open around here, you can, even though it's in value, in balance, the worst of the risk reward, you can take a call play here because this is where change took place. I would be out, say, below G's low from yesterday. You start getting any acceptance below yesterday's open and G's low, you're going to go trade at yesterday's low. So first time there, I might take a call play against A's high and use G's low as my out. As far as a short, if we're to open in here, take back most of the singles and now push up, again, you can take a high either against value high from yesterday or see, since the overnight is now short, with all these longs getting out, see if they push up anywhere where the price probe was and take a short where there were buyers yesterday to see if there are sellers there today at L's high. We have Powell speaking today at 1:30. You have a lot of different things this week. You have Powell at 1:30. You have the Fed minutes on Wednesday, bond auction on Thursday, and options expiration on Friday. And then next week we have Jackson Hole late in the week. So we'll see if any of those become catalysts. Volume so far this morning, 550,000. So it's still 75 minutes to go. Decent volume so far. And then on the chart, again, I'll just show you the daily. Remember, we had an outside day up yesterday. Right now, it's failing miserably. 3-day balance, I would use Thursday's low as the bottom of the balance. Yesterday's high is the top of it. We'll see if they consolidate, see if we have an inside day, which would give us better market-generated information for tomorrow. But again, outside day up early looks like it's a failure. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.